Welcome to the Terratoss. Have a step inside.
I'll follow you.
All right. It's a 2002 International 3800. It's still a work in progress, but some of the favorite features that I keep hearing about is the kitchen. Everybody's going to come to the kitchen eventually, no matter what.
Yeah.
But the next thing people usually like the most is the chest freezer on slides.
Yep. Now, how much solar do you have?
Right now I have 1100 watts, but when the system is done, it'll be 3300 watts, so I can use the welder in the back. Then we got a little pull-out table right here, so when anybody's sitting at this couch right behind you, they can pull this table to about right here and have a nice dinner at home. Got a guest bunk right here. This one's 7 feet. This guest bunk is 9 feet. When it's done, it'll probably be a little shorter than that. Currently, the roof and a lot of things are unfinished, but all good things will come in due time.
Sure.
Something other people do is they put the toilet in the shower, but I can't stand that. I think that's disgusting.
Yeah.
So, and the shower is a regular home-size shower like you find in like a studio apartment with an adjustable shower head. And a stool for some of us more handicapped people.
Yep.
Under here is shoe storage. Tons of shoe storage. In the back it sports a queen bed, a mini split that does heating and cooling. It's kind of hiding down there, but there's a alternative propane forced air heater. And then back here you can't really see it, but the water heater is right here, right on the other side of the shower.
Okay.
What I like about the shower is I'm holding 110 gallons of water, so you could take a couple really good long showers in this thing if you wanted.
Yep.
Gotta have the good old gun safe. You never know when you're gonna go hunting.
Uh-huh.
I've never been hunting, but I got a couple rifles that are itching to get out there.
Yeah, I just built a shooting range on my place, so...
Oh, great, great.
Yeah, turns out shooting a dead spray can is fun.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I work for Burning Man seasonally, and we have a special giant garlic crate. It's like 4 foot by 4 foot, and everybody throws all their used spray cans in there. And obviously they're not punctured, so we got to puncture them before we can throw them in the trash or recycle them.
Yeah.
So,
Uh-huh.
You would think you came to the back of the bus by now, but that's actually a false wall. There's another 5 feet of bus back there. Want to go check it out?
Sure.
All right. It's got a nice stainless steel table off the side. It was a door from a refrigerator, and my favorite metal is stainless steel, so I just had to repurpose it to something else.
I like that a lot better than the wooden ones, because I'm like, driving down the road, those things got to get really grody.
Yeah, when they start getting old, the material starts to deteriorate,
Yeah.
and they run the risk of literally falling off,
Right.
which I'm not too stoked about, so that's why I went with stainless.
Yep.
There's a little bit of stuff I do to keep me going on the road once in a while. This box right here in the end was a recent addition. Literally right before I came out here, I put that in. You know, that's why it's all in primer and not looking too nice.
Yeah.
But by next year, it'll be looking pretty spiffy.
Oh, sure.
This hole right here is the exhaust for the dryer. I have 2 speed wings. Now, these are really critical. If you want to go over 35 miles an hour, you got to have those.
Oh, yeah.
In the back, we got a spigot conveniently mounted for any kind of shower needs.
Nice.
Full tool chest, washer and dryer. When the solar system's finished, it will produce enough power to run this welder here. It has 800 amp hours of lithium battery sitting up on the shelf with all the charging equipment you can see.
Sure.
And the water pump and the filtration system right there. Nothing too crazy. And if you look a little higher, you can get a sneak peek at some interior lofty storage.
Sure. Very nice.
As you can see, the mini split hanging out on top there. I kind of wish I put it in the middle though. It's the only thing I wish I'd done different. But, you know, it is what it is. I can change it later.
If you get really, really bored, you can move it.
Exactly. And I'm
Really, really bored.
And I'm pretty lazy, so it'll probably stay right there.
Yeah, yeah. So, well, thank you for the tour.
Oh, you're welcome.